Hello friends, it's a pleasure to welcome you to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can hide notification previews from your lock screen on iPhone. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. And let's get into this topic. And let's say if you have notifications on your lock screen on your iPhone, and you'd like to hide them because maybe there's some sensitive information there, and you just don't want anyone to be able to see your messages that are coming to you. Then for this, you will need to go to the phone settings on your iPhone and then select the notifications option. And then go to this option here, View Notifications. And as you can see, both you and I will probably have the first one set to Always by default. So, you have two options on how you can hide this kind of preview. The first option is to select only when your phone is unlocked. That is, your notifications on the lock screen will only be visible when the phone is unlocked, and you swipe on the lock screen to see the contents of the message. Or you can choose Never Pause. So even when your phone is unlocked and you swipe on the lock screen, you won't see the contents of the message, and also, therefore, no one can see it. So, you will have to go to the appropriate messenger or social network to view the full message that you have received. This is how it is, friends. You can very quickly and easily hide notification previews from the lock screen on your iPhone. I really hope this video has helped you and that it has been useful for you. Please, friends, write comments, put your likes, and also subscribe to this channel. See you soon.